This video will show a demonstration of new features associated with the SRH-2D Summary Report in SMS 14. So I have an SRH project loaded here that has multiple simulations. The summary report's been available in previous versions of SMS, and we've made some improvements to it. So if I come select a simulation and choose Summary Report, new, I can choose which simulations and elevation sources I want to include. So I can come here and I can choose just this simulation, and I'll choose some raster and scatter that were used for elevation sources. I can also only select certain monitor points or monitor lines that I want included in the report. This can be good for having plots that are a little bit easier to read. The summary report also has some metadata here that you can fill in describing the report. You click OK. And what this is going to do is generate an HTML file that you could then share with somebody else to that's interactive that they could then use. So if I come here, you have a table of contents at the top, and then you have these collapsed sections. So the project summary, then different pieces here for terrain data, your meshes, boundary conditions monitors, 3D structures, materials, and simulations. So I'm just going to expand all here so that we can see all these. You have interactive plots here so that if you share this HTML file, a reviewer could just use the HTML to look through at things. You can see the bounds of the raster there. Here's the mesh. Again, interactive plot. You can come in and see what the mesh elements look like. Boundary conditions, another interactive plot that shows the different boundaries included. Same with monitor. 3D structures, it'll generate a map showing you the structures. You can see there's a bridge there, some culverts. And then you get plots showing profile and cross-section plots at each of the 3D structures. Materials, again, interactive plot, you can see those. And then your simulation summary, there's a brief summary at the top. And then here it gives us more details on the simulation itself. Monitor plots for both points and lines. Uh, the net Q plot, wet elements, and the mass balance show up. And then you get some summary here. And if you wanted to share this as a PDF, just from a browser, you could come and select print, choose save it as a PDF, and you can see what the PDF would look like here. And the only drawback from the PDF is that it would no longer then be interactive, but you can also share it with a third party. So those are the updates to summary reports.